Welcome to part 6 of your Life Hacks series, more clever ways to simplify your day. Remove sticky residue with olive oil, rub on, wait 5 minutes, then wipe clean. Freeze herbs in olive oil, add herbs to an ice tray, top with oil and freeze, perfect for quick cooking. Stop static cling-on clothes, mix fabric softener and water in a spray bottle, mist garments lightly. Organize spices with a muffin tray. Each jar sits upright in its own cup, no more tipping. Clean tile grout with dish soap and an old toothbrush. Scrub lines gently to lift dirt. Make a phone stand from plastic cards. Stack and fold 2-3 rigid cards into a Z shape, simple and useful. Deodorize plastic containers. Shake with lemon slices and salt, let sit, then rinse, smells gone. Prevent earbud tangles with a straw. Thread your wire through a short straw and coil neatly. Reheat rice with steam. Sprinkle water, cover with a damp paper towel, microwave. It stays fluffy. Keep rugs in place with carpet tape, stick it underneath to stop slipping. Store cheese in parchment paper. It keeps humidity balanced and mold away. Open tight jar lids with hot water. Soak the lid for 2 minutes. It twists off with ease. Small fixes, big wins. Here are some super simple but very useful daily life hacks. Repurpose used tea bags. After brewing, dry them and place them in your fridge. They absorb odors naturally. Secure cables with a binder clip. Clip it onto your desk edge and thread cables through the handles. No more cables falling off. Color code your charging cables. Wrap colored tape around each one so you can quickly tell them apart, even in the dark. Stop pots from boiling over. Lay a wooden spoon across the pot's rim. Bubbles burst against it before spilling. Deodorize your cutting board with lemon. Rub half a lemon on the board, wait a few minutes, then rinse. Keep pillows and mattresses mold-free. Slip a silica gel pouch underneath to soak up moisture. Clean keyboard crevices. Dip a cotton swab in alcohol and gently swipe between keys. Fold a t-shirt in 2 seconds. Lay it flat, pinch at the shoulder and mid-body. Cross your hands and fold. It's done. Prevent watered-down coffee. Freeze leftover coffee into cubes. Use them instead of ice to keep your drink strong. Reduce eye strain with the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Keep produce fresh longer. Add a paper towel to your fridge's veggie bag to absorb moisture. Open tight jar lids with ease. Use a rubber pad for grip and twist. It opens much easier. Simple hacks, big difference.
Welcome to part 7 of your Life Hacks series. Fresh ideas for everyday ease. Keep cookies crisp with bread. Place a slice in the jar. It balances moisture so cookies stay crunchy. Protect floors with coffee filters. Slip one under each chair leg to prevent scratches. Make a quick funnel. Cut a plastic bottle and use the top to pour liquids mess-free. Silent squeaky hinges. Stick a bump pad on the hinge to quiet creaks. Keep shoelaces tied with a helper knot. Add a small knot before the bow to lock laces in place. Fire starters from cotton swabs. Coat in Vaseline, dry, and use for steady flames while camping. Extend cut flower life with vinegar. Add a splash to vase water. It keeps bacteria down. DIY pencil cup from a milk carton. Cut, clean, and cover in paper for a handy pen holder. Organize drawers with cardboard strips. Divide space and keep items neatly in place. Use zip ties for cable control. They last longer and stay tighter than rubber bands. Treat grease stains with dish soap. Rub in, let sit, then wash. Stains vanish. Fertilize with coffee grounds. Sprinkle around plants for added nutrients. Protect furniture when moving. Slip nylon sleeves or plastic bags over table legs. Create mini hanging hooks. Stick adhesive hooks inside cabinets for towels or tools. Deodorize wallets with cedar wood. A small piece absorbs odor and moisture. Simmer spices for natural scent. Boil cinnamon, orange peel, and cloves to fill your space with warmth. Simple upgrades, daily impact. Here's part 5 of your Life Hack series. More simple solutions that make a difference. Unclog drains with baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of each into the drain. Wait 10 minutes, then flush with boiling water. Keep bananas fresh longer. Separate them and wrap each stem in foil to slow ripening. Pick up fine dust with tape. Wrap tape sticky side out around your finger and roll over tight spots. Soothe insect bites with mint toothpaste. Dab, wait 10 minutes, rinse. It relieves itch and swelling. Start seedlings in egg cartons. They hold moisture and can be planted right into the soil. Remove gum with ice cubes. Freeze the gum, then chip it off. No mess. Deodorize handbags with coffee grounds. Leave a sachet inside overnight to absorb odors. DIY dish soap. Mix baking soda, vinegar, and warm water. It cuts grease and cleans surfaces. Keep ice cubes from clumping. Add a pinch of cornstarch to the tray before freezing. Revive a hard baguette. Wrap in a damp paper towel and microwave for 10 seconds. It crisps up again. Separate egg yolks with a plastic bottle. Squeeze, hover over the yolk, and release. It pops right in. Remove pet hair with rubber gloves. Dampen the glove and wipe surfaces. Hair sticks and peels off easily. Smart tricks, cleaner living. Here's part 2 of your super simple, very useful life hacks. Deodorize shoes with dry tea bags. Place 1 or 2 used, dry tea bags inside each shoe overnight to absorb moisture and smell. Re-crisp bread in a skillet. Heat a dry pan. Place your slice in. Cover for a minute or 2. It comes out crunchy without a toaster. Keep hot water warm longer. Fill a thermos with boiling water and wrap it in a towel to trap heat. Prevent wardrobe dampness with chalk. Clip a piece inside your closet. It absorbs humidity and reduces musty odors. Clean your microwave with steam. Microwave a bowl of water and vinegar for 5 minutes. Then wipe off the loosened grime. Lubricate a stuck zipper. Rub dry soap or candle wax along the zipper teeth. It'll slide easily. Loosen tight jar lids with a rubber band. Wrap it around the lid for grip and twist. It opens without a struggle. Ripen avocados with a banana. Put both in a paper bag. The banana speeds up ripening. Peel boiled potatoes with rubber gloves. Just rub them and the skins slide right off. Label your power strip with colored tape. It helps you instantly identify which plug goes to what. Neutralize trash can odors. Sprinkle baking soda or salt at the bottom before adding the bag. Tidy up cables with a toilet paper roll. Cut it. Wrap cords inside. No more tangles. Smart tricks. Big difference. Welcome to part 3 of your Life Hack series. More easy tricks that really work. Clean your shower head with vinegar. Wrap it overnight in a vinegar-soaked cloth. In the morning, lime scale wipes right off. Use a spoon or mirror to find hidden dirt. Slide it under furniture to spot dust or lost items. Polish leather with a banana peel. Rub the inside on leather, then buff. It shines beautifully. Remove rust with salt and lemon. Sprinkle salt. Add lemon juice. Wait 30 minutes, then wipe. Rust gone. Clean canvas shoes with toothpaste. Use white toothpaste, scrub gently, and wipe clean for bright-looking shoes. Line baking trays with foil. Food won't stick, and cleanup takes seconds. Bookmark instantly with a binder clip. It's quick, clean, and reusable. Keep screws in place with a magnet. Drop one in your toolbox. Small parts stay put. Store onions and garlic in paper bags. Hang them in a dry place to prevent sprouting and mold. Preserve knives with a soft cloth. Dry and wrap before storing to keep blades sharp. Freshen your car with coffee beans. Tuck a pouch under the seat. They absorb odors and smell great. Dry a wet phone with rice. Bury it in dry rice for a couple of hours. It draws moisture fast. Useful hacks made easy. Here's part 4 of your awesome life hack series. More clever tricks to simplify your day. Eject a sim tray with a paper clip. No tool. Just straighten a paper clip and press the release hole. Vacuum seal a zipper bag with a straw. Suck out the air before sealing to save space and protect from moisture. Keep fresh herbs longer. Wrap them in a damp paper towel. Store in a zip bag in the fridge. They'll stay crisp. Quick clean water bottles with rice. Add a spoon of uncooked rice, soap, and water. Shake hard, rinse clean. Prevent glasses from slipping. Wrap a small rubber band on each temple tip. They'll stay put during workouts. Deodorize trash cans with citrus peels. Toss in a few dried orange or lemon peels to eliminate odors. Color code your keys. Use nail polish or tape so you can grab the right one fast, even in the dark. Hang earphones neatly with a binder clip. Clip it to your desk and loop your earbuds over the handles. Tangle-free. Mount knives with a magnetic strip. It saves drawer space and keeps sharp blades safely accessible. Recycle old candles. Melt leftover wax and pour into small molds for brand new candles. Protect tools from rust. Drop silica gel packs into tool boxes. They absorb moisture. Keep hot lids from shifting. Wrap a rubber band around the handle and lid to keep it steady. Simple fixes, smart living.
Hay kung kam fava ap dung nyan hungoi y sao de tan dung toi de team nong qua ban them va hon tien moi gay mot tat han. Dui de la mot so mio hay bin kong nin bo lo.